Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to guide you through how to make a report and download a report from Infinite Campus and then change it from last name alphabetically to first name alphabetically. The first thing that you're going to do is under Infinite Campus, go to Reports. Once you're in Reports, you can get a blank spreadsheet and choose the group that you need to download. Then at the bottom here where it says generate PDF, you're going to actually click on that down arrow and click generate CSV. Once we generate CSV, we can open up the Excel document, and you'll notice that Hagen's period 4-5 has downloaded into an Excel document, and they are listed alphabetically by last name. So to change it to alphabetically by first name, you're going to highlight the column, then you're going to click on data, then you're going to click on text to columns. Make sure delimited is selected, click next, then you're going to select comma, and notice how it splits this. And then you're going to click finish. Once you're here, then you can highlight both B and A, or both columns. Make sure you highlight the column that you want to sort it with first, such as the first name, and then sort A to Z, and you'll notice that they are now sorted by first name.